In this video, I want to share with you some low competition roller coaster niches and some prompts to go along with those niches. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I get into those roller coaster niches and prompts, just want to do a quick sales update for Merch by Amazon. So today is Thursday, July 4th, so happy July 4th to all my fellow Americans that are watching. It is 5:14 p.m. and I'm sitting at 38 sales, 2 returns, $51 in royalties. And that's going to put me at 151 sales for the month and just over $200 in royalties for the month of July. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I actually had a pretty good day on Etsy yesterday. You can see $261 in royalties. But I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, family pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video now that we got that intro out of the way. So I came across the roller coaster niche when I was doing research for my members. So I offer memberships on my YouTube channel. They get members only content. It's basically like niches. And so I came across this roller coaster niche right here. And I was like, oh, this is a pretty cool niche. I saw that it was selling, has some good BSRs. And another reason why I really like it is because, it's kind of like trending right now because of the summer. There's a lot of people that are going to amusement parks that want to be wearing roller coaster t-shirts. And it's good because it works for men, women, and for children. And when we go to Google Trends, we type in roller coaster over the past 5 years, we're going to see that there's these spikes. So like right here, July, there's a spike, and there's another spike right here, and there's another big spike right here as well. So people are searching for this keyword around this time of year. Now, if you want to get 10 free prompts for this niche, all you have to do is click on the description. You'll get 10 free roller coaster prompts. All you have to do is type in the number 0 right here and then click on I want this. You will get a Word file and a PDF file. Now, if you want, you can leave a donation, but that is not necessary at all. But I just want to thank the people that have been leaving donations. I appreciate your generosity. But now let's go ahead and take a look at the first low competition roller coaster niche I have for you, and it is Cool Kids Ride Roller Coasters. When we type that into Merch Informer and hit enter, we're going to see that there's only 144 Merch by Amazon results for this phrase. And for some reason, the majority of the designs are using blue color. So maybe this is more for boys, even though girls like roller coasters just as much. So right here, we're going to see Cool Kids Ride Roller Coasters, Cool Kids Ride Roller Coasters. This one's got a review and a pretty good BSR at a good price. There's another one here that's also selling as well, also with a 2-point-something BSR. So that's the first one, and here is what the design looks like, or the prompt. So it is a magic prompt, very descriptive, lots of text and keywords in there. Get a pretty good design right here. I think this is kind of like, I like it because it's kind of extreme, got good colors. Cool Kids Ride Roller Coasters. And when I check the trademark for this, I'm not seeing anything trademarked. Now, I did go ahead and check trademarks for all the 10 phrases here, but never take my word for it. I'm just some random guy on the internet. Always do your research and keep your account safe. That is going to be the first niche that I have for you, and it is Cool Kids Ride Roller Coasters. And then the next low competition roller coaster niche that I have for you is a good one. It is Best Roller Coaster Dad Ever. Couple reasons why I like this one. One is because we're cross niching, so we're taking roller coaster, we're cross niching with dad. The more that you cross niche, the better, because it's going to get lower in competition. And I also like it because we're using a very popular phrase that has sold very well over the years on Merch by Amazon, which is basically best pop in the niche dad ever. You could type in so many niches here. Now this probably would have worked really well for Father's Day, but I hadn't thought about the niche yet, but it'll still sell during this time of the year, as we saw with the Google Trends. So when we type this into Merch Informer, hit enter, we're going to see there's only 16 Merch by Amazon results. And check out like this one right here, Roller Coaster Dad. This one's using the definition design. Right here, look at this, 456 sitting at $19.99. And this is not the Climate Pledge Friendly because I got rid of that category. This one's sitting at 2 million. So right here, right here, right here, another one. You see one thing that you want to do, like when you're doing research, you want to type in, when you type in the phrase or the niche or whatever, you want to look for like similarities or duplicates. And first thing that I'm noticing right on the first row is retro and retro. So that's something to take note of. Here's another retro one. But let's go ahead and take a look to see if this is trademarked. Best Roller Coaster Dad Ever. Not seeing anything. Now, Best Dad Ever is trademarked, so make sure you type in the word roller coaster. And here's the prompt that I came up with. I think this actually turned out pretty good. Best roller coaster dad ever. Now, I am afraid of roller coasters, so I mean, I guess I would jump on a roller coaster with my son, but I probably would not enjoy it. I'm afraid of heights, but comment below if you like roller coasters or not. That is going to be the second low competition roller coaster niche I have for you, and it is best roller coaster dad ever. Now, you can also, just put mom in here as well. So, or grandpa. I don't know about grandpa, but definitely mom would work. But yeah, that's the second one that I have for you. And then the third low competition roller coaster niche I have for you is roller coaster birthday. There's a couple reasons why I really like this one. Again, we're cross niching, so we're taking a roller coaster, we're cross niching with birthday. Like I said, the more you cross niche, the better. But this can also be scaled, so you can do a roller coaster birthday for like a 6-year-old, make one design, and then do 7 years old, 8 years old, etc., all the way up to, who knows, 12, 13, 14, 15, maybe even 16. Because it seems like all ages like roller coasters. But when we type in roller coaster birthday into Merch Informer and then we click enter, excuse me, we're going to see that it's under 1,000 results. And you can do a design kind of like this, rolling into my 6th birthday. Again, it can be scaled to 7th, 8th, 9th, etc., etc. Here are a couple other ones as well, rolling into my 12th birthday, rolling into my 3rd birthday. Now, the 3-year-old on a roller coaster seems a little young, but maybe they have those kid ones or those toddler ones. We can see that it is selling, so this is a good one in my opinion. And here is the design. So rolling into my 6th birthday, again, all you have to do is just take the prompt and just switch out the words 6 to 7 to 8 to 9, etc. And let's see if rolling into my 6th birthday is trademarked. I should have done that. Rolling into my 6th birthday, probably not going to be, but I figure I might as well check for you guys. Rolling into my 6th birthday. So I'm using the test website right here. This is where you can check for trademarks. So I'm not seeing anything, but again, just always do your research, but it looks like this should be okay. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the remaining designs from the prompts. So just starting from the top, I showed you this one, best roller coaster dad ever, roller coaster queen. So here we're taking roller coaster and we're crossing it with like women. Roller coaster mom, just like a normal mom, but way cooler. I think that's a pretty cool one. This one actually turned out really nice. Today's forecast, 100% chance of roller coasters. We've seen this design phrase do well over the years on Merch by Amazon. Today's forecast, 100% chance of, and then you just pop in the niche. I showed you this one rolling into my 6th birthday. Here's another good good phrase because we've seen it sell well over the years. I'd rather be, and then you just pop in the niche. So I'd rather be riding a roller coaster. I think that actually turned out really nice. Here are a couple other ones also. Rolling into my 6th birthday. So I believe I actually did 2 prompts for the birthday one. So this one and this one. I think they both look well. I just saw a lot of these designs, so I thought I'd add 2 in there. I'm not too sure why this one didn't work. Oh, I did one on a white background. Let's go back here. I maybe look like I'm listing, but I'm thinking about roller coasters. Just a boy who loves roller coasters. You could also switch that up for girls, so just a girl who loves roller coasters. Wait for the drop. So the drop is when you're at the very top and it's about to drop off. So wait for the drop, and you have the illustration of the roller coaster above the text. And then this one I showed you, cool kids ride roller coasters. All right, so those are the prompts, or the design from the prompts. And again, if you want those prompts, all you have to do is just type in the number 0 right here. I won't email you or anything like that, so don't worry about that. You just get a nice freebie from me. But those are the 10 niches or prompts that I have for you for the roller coaster niche. Okay, so now I want to share with you some resources on how I was able to go from a $500 a month Merch by Amazon seller to a $2,000 a month Merch by Amazon seller. And it's basically from the niches that I was able to find. So if we go to my all-time stats right here, let me just click off sales. I started back in 2017, and I was always right around like $500. So sometimes 600, but it was like 400, 600. I did have some bumps around like Christmas, but for the most part, like all right here, 400, 400, always right around 500. And I kind of figured out what niches to get into, low competition, evergreen niches, hybrid niches, trending niches. And you can see my sales just started to explode. Now I'm doing like, I almost did $3,000 in May. And this is actually a really cool graph right here. That just, and then vertical. And basically, like I said, it's because I was able to find the niches, and that's what I offer in my members, to my members on my YouTube channel. So if you click on this join button right here, you can watch the video. But I basically offer 3 tiers: bronze, silver, and gold. Bronze, if you just want to support the free content, you get loyalty badge and priority reply to comments, but the main value is going to be in the silver and the gold tier. So the silver is going to get you 4 videos a month or 1 video a week. Each video drops Monday morning at 6 a.m. Central. These videos are for members only, and those videos are going to have 5 to 10 low competition evergreen niches, and each one of those niches is going to come with a prompt for ideogram. You also are going to get a daily market update. So when you're a member, you can go to the membership tab right here. You can see I put out these daily market updates. So let me find one from a little bit ago. Let's go with maybe let's see, this one right here. So 12 days ago, I put out this, I found this trending niche, Stay Trashy America. I talked about why it is trending. I talk about how much competition there is. I show you an example of one that was just recently uploaded and is selling. I give you a prompt for it as well. I even give you access to my Creative Fabrica shop, where I put up a design for that niche. You can just download it and use it. And I also give you keywords for brand title, bullet 1 and bullet 2. So the silver is just going to get you a lot of low competition evergreen niches and trending niches with prompts. And then the gold is going to get you everything in the silver package, but it's also going to get you an additional Word file on the 15th. I'm doing it on the 15th now. It's going to get you an additional 100 prompts, a Word file of 100 prompts for niches that will be trending 45 days out. So let me explain. So today is July 4th. So if you were to become a gold member today on July 15th, you would receive a Word file of 100 prompts for niches that would be trending in September. So you will have 45 days to basically prepare yourself, make the designs, upload the designs onto Amazon, and get some sales. All right, so that is what you get with the gold. Now the silver is only $7 a month. The gold is only $10. And if this join button is not available in your country, all you have to do is just go ahead and click on this. Where is it? I have a Patreon page. So right here, Patreon. You get the exact same thing for the exact same price on my Patreon page. If it would just load, but it's taking its sweet time. So let me just show you this comment that I got the other day on one of my videos, which was pretty cool. So, hey Mike, great idea of the prompts via your membership club. Because of your info, we sold an additional 126 pieces last month for a total profit of $430.14. That was across 14 different items. Keep those prompts coming, laugh out loud. So that was pretty cool to see. Like I said, here is my Patreon page. And then I also offer like a beginner's course. So if you are addicted to buying online courses like I am, if you click right here, merch course, I have a Merch by Amazon course for beginners on Gumroad. It's only $20. Now this course is specific for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. But I'm basically going to teach you what I have learned over the past 7 or 8 years I've been on Merch by Amazon. And then also you can get a bunch of freebies. So all you have to do is just click on my name right here. I have Etsy courses, Redbubble course. I have all these free prompts. So let's see if I can find a good one that is kind of current. So yeah, so well, 4th of July is past. But right here, where's the good one? The back to school one. It's kind of like my bestseller right now. So if you want, you can get 5 free back to school prompts for free. And then if you like those prompts, you can actually get 70 more for only $7.50. But I have like summer prompts, barbecue prompts, lake prompts. So you can come in here, cruise around, take a look. I also put out some pickleball prompts, fantasy football prompts. Yeah, so take a look if you're interested. That's going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys are having a great week. I apologize that I haven't been putting out that much content. This is only my 2nd video this week. The reason why is because I've been really working on my Etsy shop. You know, now is the time to get ready for Q4. You know, I'm spending these next 3 months, you know, June, July, August, and even September. I'm just going to grind my butt off and get as many designs up for Q4 so I can just take advantage of that Christmas rush. But hopefully get some more content out to you here shortly. Okay, so thanks again so much for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.